Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Connectifying, the best solution anytime, anywhere. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of our extensions search by voice for OpenCart. First, you have to download extension from connectifying.com. After downloading, we have to go our OpenCart dashboard, navigate to extension, installer, and select the file, the extension file. The file has been installed successfully, and then don't forget to refresh modification. So now refresh the modification. After successful installation, you can see the search icon on search bar. Okay, let's try how extension works. For example, let's try to search by voice MacBook. Okay, let's try now. MacBook. Extension search MacBook. Three type of products. Let's try more. For example, MacBook Air. MacBook Air. Right, extension working very well. Search MacBook Air. This extension makes it easier for your customer to search product into your website. If you want to buy this extension, you can visit connectifying.com or you can check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.